I did what I could, and I could what I did on that exam. Anything or anything, we bless the Lord. Understand? And what couldn't be did not be done because it could it.
Let's get into my maintenance day at home. And the star of the show is definitely the one you're lean, but listen, my hair didn't turn out the way I wanted it to, but we try something with my two little feelers. I feel like a cutie patootie. Keep on watching if you want to see how I did all of this in my legs. My dear, this is the second time I'll be waxing my legs, and it's the first time I was the one to actually do it using this kit that I got from Amazon. I think I paid less than $30 or about 30 something dollars. I don't remember. It came with 4 of these pack of wax beads. It's 8 ounces, and in all honesty, you need like 2 packs to do your legs. I don't know if you have fine foots. Anyway, so I normally set it to 180 degrees. I think it's in Fahrenheit. And when it gets to the temperature that temperature, then I'll turn it down to 160 to maintain the temperature. So, too hot, too cool. And yes, we are poured up with legs. And this is technically cornstarch, not technically, realistically. It's cornstarch powder. Makes it look a fragrance and stuff, cause we want to see the ear, we want to dry it, and something there. It's still a melt, yes, so still a melt. Actually, well, we're not going to see later on into the video because things never go how it's supposed to go. This is me cooling it, and then I take my time and up. Instead of look out there, I say ever since I come to that place, I stop digging up my foot. But anyway, so then I take my time and apply it down the opposite direction of the hairs, and then pull it coming towards me. You understand? You're supposed to make one like a bead at the end, like not a bead. What am I say? Like a little lip, and then lift. I don't know if the wax all or what. It wasn't sticking to the hairs. And how many times I even look here, if you want to see my foot, it never turned out right. But we move. Because I'm disappointed in myself as well, because my technique I didn't get it right the first half. Yeah, like the first half of the foot, whenever I catch it good, see. And then the girl I messed up all her foot, and her foot her place. Yeah, all of them something there. Look at me tired there, man. Anyway, I'm gonna go and listen to some music because I'm tired. Now you see all of them something here upon my foot. One never come off and it out with mad me if it come off. So this is the aftercare oil. It's just oil. So I'm using it to get rid of the wax pieces that not coming off. I don't know, them in love with me, them the one leg on my foot. Anywho, I then exfoliated my legs to get, if you kind of lift off them, there's something there and get look boost, look oomph. Come on, something? I wax my legs because after whenever I do the blow, I'm to my words, no catch your word. When I use my body care after waxing my legs, It just something. It just. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love it. Sit here now. Sit here. I'm glad. And so, Chantal did not check to see if she had a crochet needle, which she needs to do the back. So now I'm gonna know what I'm gonna do with here. And because it was an uneven pixie cut, I can't even just left it out, so I don't know what to do. I pulled out the cornrows and I will just be hot ironing my hair. That's what's so ironing. I had put some in there earlier. Because you must oil your scalp when it is damp. That feels so good. My sister asked me why I have the two feelers here. My mother used to call them feelers and it stuck with us. So, but I'm just a cutie petite. I'm just a cutie petite. So I want two feelers. Okay? Yeah. I'm gonna put local oil on my ear. See? Protection it. I mean, okay. Why didn't I have on two hands? Oh well. Okay. Hyperlapse. Wash my face and come back, but this is what we're working with, and it's going to work for the entire week. For the week, baby. For a week. Okay. I think I'm gonna do my nails now. Voila. I showered, did my skincare routine, and switched to my bed because my back is hurting me. That chair is too low and it's uncomfortable. I need to get a chair. I need to get a beauty desk, as a matter of fact. Anyway, so I'll be doing my nails with BT Art Box. This is not sponsored, by the way, but eventually it will be. Yeah. So this comes with 150. This is my first time using these press-on nails. But it's normally by the look when we glue and a proportion of like by the end of the day or next 2 hours. Yeah. So I'm gonna try this. It comes with, I got the kit with the UV lamp. See there? UV lamp. It come with a little something here. And they have about 4 instruction sheets in the box, which is cool. I also got the top coat and the glue. Right? So, and an emery board. That's up here. So I have my cotton pad, emery board, and then like something here for pushing on my cuticle. But now I can't clip it this up them. Because what me have not actually sharp. I fell while filming 2 weeks ago, and for some strange reason the injury from on this side just start act up. Like if I sit up too long, it pain me. Anyway. So, I need to switch the angles. I'm tired, guys. I am tired. And I need to post this tonight. Just know that this is not for the week.
She did not post the video that night. She went to bed feeling guilty. This is 1 week past due.
So, as I said, I'm going to push down this, because you know eventually go move. My nails are really thin, and I realize that acrylic don't do anything for them, but I love how when a flyer come out, love to have some clickety clacks, man. I don't feel like myself without the clickety clacks. Did my nails recently and the girl never push down this, them are sitting apart none tall. So when it start grow to look funny, I don't have a dehydrator or a primer, so I don't know how long this is going to last without that. But we go see. And there we have it, my DIY maintenance day. Listen, these are so cute. This hand was done way better than this hand. I have two spaces, like these weren't placed properly at the angle that it was supposed to be placed at. So I know eventually, maybe by the end of the week, it will lift. I'm hoping no water goes under it. The hair didn't turn out how I wanted it either, but I'm a kitty patootie. I'm a kitty patootie. Anyhow, I hope you guys have an awesome week. Good night. Well, whatever time yesterday is, good morning, good evening.